Imagine a world where the fantastical creations of a beloved children's book leap off the page and into reality. This is precisely the journey of the Wonka brand, a saga that begins in the bound pages of a story and explodes into the shelves of candy stores worldwide. It's a tale that blurs the lines between fiction and reality, captivating the hearts of both young and old. The Wonka brand, with its roots deeply embedded in the rich soils of imagination, grew into a cultural phenomenon that revolutionized the candy industry. The unique aspect of Wonka's journey is its origin in pure fiction, created by the imaginative mind of Roald Dahl in his 1964 novel, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Unlike other brands that start from market research or a niche need, Wonka began as a part of a fantastical narrative, designed to enchant and entertain. This origin makes the Wonka brand not just a producer of confections, but a purveyor of dreams and adventures. As we explore this peculiar transformation, we delve into how a fictional brand captured the world's imagination and translated it into commercial success. The transition from fiction to factory is not merely a business success story, but also a testament to the power of creativity and innovation. It showcases how ideas, no matter how whimsical, can be grounded into reality with vision and entrepreneurial spirit. The story of Wonka is about turning the impossible into the tangible, making it a source of inspiration for dreamers and doers alike. It serves as a reminder that in the confluence of fiction and reality, there lies a potential for extraordinary ventures. As we progress through this exploration, we will uncover the layers that compose the Wonka brand's identity, from its literary inception to its monumental impact on the candy industry and beyond. Each step of the journey not only highlights a remarkable marketing feat, but also celebrates the enduring allure of storytelling in shaping business and culture. In 1964, the world was introduced to Willy Wonka, the eccentric candy manufacturer, through the pages of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. This character, crafted by the brilliant Roald Dahl, was not merely a figment of imagination, but a symbol of limitless creativity and innovation. The novel not only entertained children, but also sparked a desire in readers to experience the magical world of Wonka in reality. The vivid descriptions of scrum-diddly-umptious sweets and marvelous inventions captured the minds of many, setting the stage for a brand that would later embody these fantastical elements. Charlie and the Chocolate Factory was more than just a book. It was a portal to a new dimension where the boundaries between possible and impossible were blurred. Dahl's ability to weave complex narratives filled with moral lessons and a touch of magic appealed to a broad audience, ensuring the story's place in the annals of classic children's literature. This widespread acclaim laid the foundational audience for what would later become the real-life Wonka brand. The book's success, coupled with its innovative themes, made it an ideal candidate for brand adaptation. The decision to bring Wonka into the real world was facilitated by the book's cinematic adaptations. These films brought visual life to Dahl's creations, further cementing the brand in the collective consciousness of the public. As audiences watched Willy Wonka's chocolate rivers and everlasting gobstoppers on the big screen, the line between Dahl's fiction and potential reality grew ever thinner. This visual reinforcement was crucial in preparing the market for a real-world Wonka, which would soon move from celluloid to supermarket shelves. Moreover, the character of Willy Wonka, as portrayed in these adaptations, became an icon of pop culture. His portrayal by renowned actors added a layer of charisma and mystique to the brand, enhancing its appeal before it even became a commercial entity. This blend of literary depth, cinematic appeal, and character-driven narrative provided the perfect recipe for a brand that was destined to succeed beyond the confines of fiction. The impact of Wonka as a brand extends far beyond the realms of candy. It has woven itself into the cultural tapestry, influencing not just consumer behavior, but also artistic and social spheres. The brand's ability to evoke a sense of wonder and nostalgia has made it a beloved icon across generations. This universal appeal is a direct result of its fictional roots, which offered a story that resonated with themes of wonder, innovation, and the rewards of virtue.